Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to install a new lubricant cartridge in your BEKA ONE. Please follow these instructions carefully to ensure proper operation. First, detach the protective housing from the BEKA ONE by turning it counterclockwise. Next, unscrew and remove the cover from the new lubricant cartridge. Carefully press a small amount of lubricant out of the open end of the cartridge. Now, place the open end of the cartridge onto the intake hole of the BEKA ONE device and tighten it securely. As you tighten the cartridge, some lubricant might emerge. Collect any outcoming lubricant in a suitable manner and dispose of it professionally. Take out the battery holder from the unit and install the batteries, ensuring correct polarity. To start an intermediate cycle and prime the lubricator, hold the setting button for approximately 5 seconds and release it as soon as the red LED indicator has lit up twice. Repeat this procedure 5 to 6 times until grease begins to emerge from the outlet of the lubricator. When lubricant clearly emerges from the outlet, the device is considered correctly filled and primed. Finally, screw the protective cover back onto the pump. Be careful not to over-tighten the cover. Your BEKA ONE is now filled and ready to be installed and used. Thank you for choosing Groeneveld-BEKA. For more information and support, please refer to your product manual or visit our website.